My car is a
Piece of shit! I wanna drive you off the cliff, watch you crash into a ravine. For the things you did to me, you stupid car! I wanna make myself a pipe bomb, plug a damn engine back to hell, where I know you're from, piece of crap! You aren't even worth a toll to a junkyard or a place where you sit and lay your waste. I wish you die! I'll give a mind to always do. Can you tell me how much longer it will be until I'm rid of you? Just get hit by lightning or something. My confidence in you is sold in every part I buy. I guess I'm just a sucker with no limit. So pucker up and kiss another paycheck goodbye. You look more than a newborn baby. I change your oil all the time, but still you need some more. Your fluid bubbles come in assorted colors. Just wonderful variety of problems galore. Will there be a time where I know I can drive without my car breaking down? And will I ever see it stuck consistently without the rain and the sun?
My car is a
Piece of shit! I ought to give you a swift kick in the muffler, in the tire, or wherever I decide. You stupid car! You never get me very far when you decide running to the store is a mortal sin. Piece of crap! I guess you want a piece of me since you're leaving all your pieces in the middle of the street. You people job! I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just hope that I don't have to take another day of driving you. I swear you must be old and with my grandma, and she's dead. The fact you run it all is quite a mystery to me. Your miles are approaching 7 digits. May God have mercy on the soul that's holding the key. I guess I'm just a